Zoma Lok dance is associated with Sikkim. Mohiniyattam dance is performed by women in honor of Lord Vishnu. Gotipua, dance of Orissa, performed in honor of Lord Jagannath. Bhama Kalapam as the classical dance, drama associated with Kuchipudi. Sila, Panthi, Pandwani, Rautnacha, dances are associated with Chhattisgarh. Ghodamodini is folk dance of Goa. Cholia, a martial dance is related to Uttarakhand. The prime themes of Kathak are tied with Vaishnavism. Bhangra, Ladi, Giddha are folk dances of Punjab. Jagoi and Cholam are the two main divisions of Manipuri dance. Satriya dance of Assam is inspired by Bhakti movement. The classical work Hastalakshan Deepika is related to the dance Kathakali. Matki dance is performed in Madhya Pradesh. Gugga, Khoria, and Fag dances are associated with Haryana. Hurka Baul dance, performed during maize and paddy cultivation in Uttarakhand. Kummi dance is associated with Tamil Nadu. Chero is a folk dance associated with Mizoram. Bharatanatyam was originally known as Siddhiratam. Gotipua is a traditional dance form in Orissa. Hand gestures in Mohiniyattam which are mainly adopted from Hastalakshana. Deepika text are Chaubis. Gavari, a dance drama is majorly performed in Rajasthan. Purulia, Mayurbhanj, Saraikella. Subtypes of the dance Chau. Charu Sija Mathura is a name that is synonymous with Manipuri dance. Kolanilu, a folk dance is popularly known as stick dance. Wangla is a famous folk dance of Meghalaya. Bharatanatyam dance evolved from Ekahariya Lasyanga. Konark Dance Festival is organized every year for 5 days in Orissa. Varnam is one of the stages in the classical dance of Bharatanatyam. The Khajuraho Dance Festival was started by the Government of India in collaboration with Madhya Pradesh Kala Parishad in 1975. The Khong, the masked drama dance performance depicting the glory of Lord Rama is associated with Thailand. Theyyam is the ritual art form of Kerala. Veera Natyam is a ritual dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Lotia is the regional music of Rajasthan. A form of folk theatre which is based on the life of Lord Krishna is Ralila. Yakshagana, folk dance is associated with Karnataka. Chau dance was inscribed in the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List in 2010. Buddhist chanting of Ladakh was inscribed in the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List in 2012. Tradition of Vedic chanting was inscribed in the UNESCO Intangible Cultural Heritage List in 2008. A freestyle dance where performers dance with clay pots filled with burning incense as Dhanuchi Nach. Ancient dance teachers or gurus of Bharatanatyam are popularly known as Nittuvanas. Vidhi Bhagavatam is a famous dance form of Andhra Pradesh. Lavani is a folk dance of Maharashtra. Hand gestures used in Indian classical dances are called mudra. Ghumar is traditionally performed by Bhil tribe Rajasthan. Mayurbhanj Chau dance is performed in Orissa. Purulia Chau dance is performed in West Bengal. The Ras Leela was first started as a dance form in 1779 by Bhagyachandra, Meghti monarch. Dandanacha, a dance form of Orissa, narrates about the story of Lord Shiva. Gaur Maria dance belongs to Chhattisgarh. The element in Kuchipudi dance in which the performer balances his feet on the edge of a brass plate tarangam. The competitive play between dancer and tabla player in Kathak is Jugalbandi. Rasa in which love can be best expressed as Shringara Rasa. Mudiyattu is a ritual dance drama from Kerala based on the mythological tale of a battle between Goriskale and Demandarika. According to Natya Shastra, Mohiniyattam is a form of Lasya dance. Mohiniyattam dance amotes a play through dancing and singing where the song is customarily in Manipravala language. A dance form of Nagaland which is performed as preparation for a hunting expedition known as Sadal Kekai. The dance movement characterized by bent legs while feet keep rhythm are present in Bharatanatyam. The classical dance style which is inscribed on the Gopuram of Chidambaram temple Bharatanatyam. Bharatanatyam expresses South Indian religious themes and spiritual ideas of Shaivism. Daskatiya is the tribal dance of Orissa. Dance performed by the Santhal tribe of Jharkhand Jikadashain. Changai dance is associated with Nagaland. Alarippu is a dance piece from Bharatanatyam. Thabal Chomba is a folk dance of Manipur. Bhavaik Vesha or Swam is the popular folk theatre form of Gujarat. Pakal, Ghumra and Dhap are the folk dances of Orissa. The Raigarh Gharana is associated with Kathak. Jamda folk dance is associated with Jharkhand. Kalasam is a dance sequence in Kathakali. Kajari is a folk song and dance which originated in Uttar Pradesh. Chhau dance exists in three main styles. Note: Saraikela, Jharkhand; Mayurbhanj, Orissa and Purulia, West Bengal. Kalakshetra style is associated with Bharatanatyam. Kood is a folk dance of Jammu and Kashmir. Theoretical foundations of Bharatanatyam have been found in Natya Shastra. Vazuvur is one of the styles in Bharatanatyam. Ladi is a folk dance of Punjab. Ras Leela recognized as classical dance, form of Manipuri. Oldest gharana of Kathak dance, Banaras Gharana. Gharanas of Kathak, Jaipur, Lucknow, Benaras and Raigarh. Bhortal dance is famous in Assam. Lai Harauba is the earliest form of Manipuri dance. The Joinpa Legzo is a welcome dance of Bhutan. Mati Akhora is associated with Satriya dance. The Nalacharitham play is associated with Kathakali, dance performed by the Kamar tribe. Of Madhya Pradesh is Teratali, Mangalacharan, Stai, Pallavi, Abhinay and Moksha are items of Odissi dance. Traditional dance mainly performed during Navratri Garba, dance form related to the worship of Lord Jagannath. Odissi, classical dance form which begins with a drum playing performance called Kelikotu Kathakali. Zangtalam is a popular dance of Mizoram performed by Pai tribe. Gair dance is performed by the Bhil community of Rajasthan. Karagam folk dance is associated with Tamil Nadu. Bhutakola is a spirit worship ritual, dance of Karnataka. Sugi is a famous folk dance form of Karnataka, dance performed in the temples of Tamil Nadu by the Devadasis. Bharatanatyam Tisiyattam. Sapera dance of Rajasthan is also known as Kalbalia dance. Ekaharya, where one dancer performs many roles in a single performance, is associated with Bharatanatyam. Jagoi and Cholam are the two main divisions in Manipuri dance. Kathakali took shape in southern India in the 17th century under the patronage of the Prince of Karnataka. Dance performed at the time of Dashehra. In Mithila region, Bihar is Jijia. Sangpo tribal dance is performed in Arunachal Pradesh. The Tappu dance from Arunachal Pradesh is performed by Adi tribe. Charkula is a famous dance form associated with Uttar Pradesh. Dance performed during the worship of Murugan, the Hindu god of war Kavadiyatam. Rauf is a folk dance of Jammu and Kashmir. The main theme of Manipuri dance is devotion. Panthi dance form is associated with Chhattisgarh. The Gopurams of the Chidambaram Temple, Tamil Nadu depict the poses of Bharatanatyam. Ghumar is a folk dance of Rajasthan. Kuchipudi dance is accompanied by Carnatic music. The music of Bharatanatyam belongs to Carnatic system. After recovering from smallpox, a typical dance performed in West Bengal is Brita dance. Colorful makeup and unique masks depicting the ancient martial art of Kathakali. Hehak dance is associated with Tripura. Gugga dance is a traditional folk dance of Haryana. The Zomal Lok dance is associated with Lepcha community Sikkim. Dance that developed from the Vaishnavite monasteries of Assam, Satriya. Dance in which the artist never establishes eye contact with the audience. Manipuri. Dance performed by the women of Maharashtra is Lavani. The folk dance Tarangamel associated with Goa. Beya dance form associated with The state of Arunachal Pradesh. Classical dance form which uses various colors on face to symbolize the characters is Kathakali. Dance form which is mentioned in The ancient text of Vyavaharmala, Mohiniyattam. Dhaman is a dance form associated with the state of Himachal Pradesh. Rangabati is a folk dance of Orissa. Nupa dance is associated with Manipur. Bojit, a musical composition, is used in Satriya dance. The traditional folk dance of Rajasthan, performed by Kanjar tribe, is Chakri. Mundari is a famous dance of Jharkhand. Zangtalam, Chailam, Chero dance belong to Mizoram. The folk dance Hojagiri is associated with Northeast India.